Hello everyone. In today's video, I want us to analyze the White Rock crypto project. This is a project in the real world asset category and is up 137% for the week and for the month 54.9%. This coin is down today. As of the time I'm doing this video, the coin is down 16.6%, for the hour 2.3%. What I want us to establish is whether this coin is a good coin to buy currently, or maybe wait a little bit to see how price is gonna play out. I think there's something going on here causing the coin to pump. So I want you to dig down a little bit to see what might that be, making this project to be bullish like this. Or maybe it's just the general sentiment of the crypto market that everything is pumping currently. Now, let's dive straight away to what this coin is all about. White Rock is a real world asset protocol designed to tokenize economic right to traditional financial assets like stocks, bonds, property, options, and derivatives. By bridging traditional finance with blockchain, White Rock unlocks global liquidity and simplifies access to equities, fixed income, and other investments. With a focus on transparency and efficiency, White Rock empowers users to trade tokenized assets seamlessly while complying with global regulations, reshaping the future of finance. One thing I love about what I just read is this is an infrastructural project. They are building an infrastructure for real world asset. They want to tokenize stocks, bonds, property, options, and derivatives. This is fantastic. I love that. Now, let's dive into the chart. Let's see where price was and where price is currently. Looking at this chart, guys, we can see that when this coin was launched, let's just go back a little bit yeah, so we can analyze it from here. So let's look at when it was launched and how it has performed from that day. It was launched back then around 10 of February 2024, and ever since we have seen a consistent growth or constant growth to the upside. You can see ascending growth until price went right up to about 0.0020. Price dropped back, and currently price is around 0.00053. This coin is about to cancel 1 0. Now let's go back to the current chart of this coin. Let's see. This is a weekly time frame. We are currently at a critical resistance level, on this time frame. So what I'm looking at right now is something I think you should pay attention to if, say, you are holding this coin or you want to invest in this coin. Now look at where price is, okay, and look at where price was right up there. Now, this is the only zone preventing price to get back to that all-time high. So if we break and close above this zone on a weekly time frame, then there's high chances that we are going to, skyrocket straight to the upside. That's what I'm thinking that is going to happen. So right now, I will not say buy, okay? I would say buy only when price must have come to this area, come back down here, then you can buy. Or when price is there, you can start DCAing, then from there, we might see price go straight away to Valhalla. I went to Grok and ChatGPT to get more information why the coin is pumping, whether there is something big going on, and there wasn't anything like recent stuff going on. Only the fact that they are working closely with the EU. If you want to read more about the current sentiment of this coin, you can go to ChatGPT. Use this prompt. I use this prompt, and it gave me more information about the coin, what is going on currently with the coin. You can go through it yourself. I don't want to read everything that I received from ChatGPT and Grok, so you can see. I got this like the ECB digital euro pilot that they're working with SRP Ledger and White Network. They are building something really fantastic in the real asset space. You can go and read more about it. Just use this prompt on either Grok or ChatGPT. I think we might see a huge spike to the upside for this coin. So dropping now to the daily time frame, we can see clearly how the structure look like on this time frame. As I mentioned, we need to see price break and close above this zone that I drew here, and you can buy the breakout or maybe retracement when you see the move. Currently we are here. I will not say you should buy, because if you buy now, we might see price pull a little bit downward again before going to the upside. But if say price break and close above, then there's high chances that the reversal will take us back to this zone, which is going to act as support. Now it's acting as resistance. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, do like the content, share it, and subscribe if say you haven't yet subscribed. If you are looking for a place to trade, make sure you join my Telegram community. There are other guys that you can communicate with, and you can also trade with me. I'm going to tell you how you can trade with me every now and then. But make sure you join my Telegram community first before we proceed to the next step. Until then, guys, see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Ciao. Bye bye.